SecureNow presents health insurance claim process via www.securenow.app.
In case you are getting treated in a non-network hospital, you can submit a reimbursement claim. Click on Register to intimate about your claim to us within 24 hours of hospitalization. You have to select your insurer here, fill treatment details, select an admission date, enter your estimated hospitalization cost, fill in the hospital details in these fields, select a discharge date, and click on Register Now to generate a claim intimation number. Use Submit to upload claim documents. Select a claim card. Move ahead in the process and you'll see this screen. You can download the claim form and the checklist here, expand each header to attach the relevant file and finally submit. Check status of your claim here. Select the intimation number from the drop-down and click on Check Status. Once you register your claim, you'll see claim intimated here along with the date. After about a week's time from uploading all your documents, you can check your status for initial document submitted. That means your documents have been submitted to the insurance company. Further, claim processes can be seen like you see it here. For any queries, please write to us at support@securenow.in or call us on number 9696683999. Thanks for watching.